Tech AV, in association with SULZER Brothers Pump Division, welcomes you to the first in a series of training programs on centrifugal pumps. In this program, you will learn the basic operating principles of centrifugal pumps and be given some valuable information regarding pump maintenance. We begin with an overview of pumps and pumping principles. The purpose of any pumping device is to provide a means of moving liquid or fluids from one place to another. In order to achieve this, the liquid or fluid has to be physically pulled and pushed from its reservoir and up to where it is needed. The device used to supply energy to the liquid is called a pump. Many pump designs have been invented, but we are concerned only with one type, which is called a centrifugal pump, because it operates on the principles of centrifugal force. To begin to understand the principles of a centrifugal pump, let's study the behavior of liquid through a glass bowl. Without some sort of external force, the liquid will remain perfectly still. Now, let's introduce a paddle and give it a good spin. The water quickly begins to rotate as a mass, and in doing so, tries to move away from the rotating paddle. As it rotates, a cavity or depression called a vortex is formed. A vortex is essentially an area of low pressure, and this, as we'll see later, plays an important role in centrifugal pump operation. The rotating paddle has effectively imparted energy to the mass of water, but in our demonstration, the energized water has nowhere to go except round and round. In an actual pump, the paddle becomes an impeller and the glass bowl becomes a metal casing. As the liquid mass is rotated by the action of the impeller, it becomes energized and enough force is created to move the liquid out of the casing via a delivery outlet. To replenish the discharged fluid, more fluid is fed into the casing via the suction effort of the vortex formed at the opening or eye of the impeller. After the break, we shall take a look at a typical centrifugal pump and learn more about its operation.